In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money on ClickBank for free in 2020. What's great about this method, you don't even need a website, you don't need to spend any money or even record your own voice or face or anything like that. So just make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And if you want future videos like this, definitely recommend you subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications to be notified when I release my next video. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. Alright, so first things first is coming over to clickbank.com. I'm assuming that you got an account with ClickBank if you're watching this video, but for those of you that don't, come over to ClickBank and come over to the gray create an account. Fill in these 3 simple steps: your personal information, your banking information, and then your account information. You should be good to go. Once you get your account set up, you can go back to the home page, go to the affiliate marketplace so you can find a product to promote. Now to speed up this video, I already found a product that we're going to use for the rest of this tutorial. But it's a couple ways or a few ways you can find products, or that I use to find products to promote. If you already have a category that you're interested in, you can just come over, check out the other subcategories of that, you can see right here. Or you can come over to the search bars, knowing what I do, so to find products, and it's sorted by popularity by default, and you can sort it by gravity as well. Gravity is basically the number of affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this product. So as you can see, this is the hottest offer in ClickBank. With the second offer having a gravity of 309, this offer has 382. Gravity is basically a number of affiliates who recently made a sale promoting it. So that's 382 different people getting sales with this offer, and it pays out $35 per sale. And let's check out the landing page for this offer. How one woman discovered the female fat loss code, missed by blah blah blah, lost 84 pounds using a simple 2-step ritual. This offer is extremely hot on ClickBank right now, so everybody's promoting it with YouTube, Facebook ads, Bing ads, solo ads, everything under the sun. But from there, another thing I want to do is check out the order forms. I never looked at it myself. Just want to see like the process each lead goes through. Very simple. All right, so now we check that out. Nothing. When I'm checking out offers, is to check out the affiliate page, because more than likely, if the offer that you're promoting has great affiliate tools available for you, that means that the offer is working and they want to give you everything you need to succeed, versus an offer that's trash and not converting. They don't really care what they give you. They really gonna give you little to nothing to promote their offers. So this is normally a great sign. They give you, let's see what they give out: Facebook ad info, swipe ups, let's see, email swipes, landing pages that you can use, banner ads, or they even give you a landing page that you can import into your own ClickFunnels account. But like I said, for this method, you don't even need a website, so we can skip past this. All right, so now that we have our offer selected, next thing we need to do is create some content using YouTube. Now you might be asking why use YouTube, so we pull away all the doubt that you might have with using YouTube. You might not want to do it, record anything. But like I said, I got y'all, man. You don't have to record nothing. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to speak on camera, screen record, anything like that. I got a method for y'all. Just wanted to give y'all a quick overview as to why I feel like everybody should be on YouTube right now. So I feel like it's just the perfect time. So what I did is come over to similarweb.com so you can see the traffic stats for YouTube. YouTube has a global rank of number 2. So that means YouTube is the #1 website in the entire world next to Google. So if that's not an indicator, it's why you should be over here. I don't know what else to tell you. And then besides that, YouTube is more about search traffic. So it's people that's searching for answers. And all you're doing is giving them the answers to what they're looking for, which is better than trying to promote it, running Facebook ads, promoting. You know what I'm saying? When you're promoting offers on Facebook ads, ain't nobody going to Instagram or Facebook to buy nothing. What they do, they come to YouTube, Google, look for reviews on stuff, look for answers to their problems, and then, the people that's offering them solutions, the people that's making money. Not saying that Facebook or Instagram doesn't work, because I made tens of thousands of dollars doing it, but YouTube is more consistent and long term, and it's higher conversion rates naturally. But as you can see, YouTube had a total visits. They get an average of about 27, 28 billion website hits per month. Not million, not 100,000, 27 billion. And the average visit duration is 23 minutes. So, people are spending almost half an hour. Whenever they come to YouTube, they spending almost a half an hour each session. And then they watching probably 10 videos at a time. So that's just amazing to me, man. Then you can see the traffic, where it's coming from by countries, things like that, the top referring sites. I just want to give y'all a quick overview as to why you should be on YouTube anyway. And back to the topic at hand, we promoting the weight loss offer. So what we could do is search for maybe how to lose. It's basically just putting yourself into customer shoes. If you was interested in losing weight, losing belly fat, this is basically what you would come over on YouTube to do. How to lose belly fat fast. Let's say for women. You know what? Let me see. As I'm typing in, as you can see, YouTube is giving us all these different suggestions. These is suggestions that actual people are searching for. YouTube wouldn't just be randomly pulling this up. This is stuff that people is actually looking for, that you will be creating content around, so you can attract those people and then refer them to affiliate offer to their problems. And that's how you make the big money in this stuff. And then with being in the fitness niche, weight loss and things like that, that's one of the biggest, if not the biggest niche on the entire internet. So definitely want to take advantage of that. Let's see, how to lose belly fat. Let me see. In 1 week, let me see. Let's see, how to lose belly fat in a week, whatever the case may be. So as you can see, the top video for this keyword has 3.1 million views. The second one got 20 million views. Third one got 4.5 million views. And they only got 35,000 subscribers. So you know this video went viral. All you literally have to do is recreate something similar to this. But like I said, you don't even have to get on video for this method. So what I want to do is show y'all. So let's say, for instance, we wanted to rank or create a video for this keyword, how to lose belly fat in a week. We can do is go to our YouTube notes. It's the keyword that we're trying to rank for. Now all we got to do is just create content around this. Now you might be asking, if I'm not getting on video, I'm not recording anything or paying anybody, how am I going to make this work? What you do is come over to contentsamurai.com. I will leave a link in the description below. It comes with a 7-day free trial. And yes, this is my affiliate link. So if you do end up purchasing the full Samurai, well, it comes with everything, but if you end up, extending it, I will get a small commission. Costs nothing to you. But yeah, all you'll do is basically import your own script, find an article online, etc., completely free. Import it into Content Samurai, and they will create your whole entire video for you with pictures, videos, as well as a voiceover too. Like I said, you don't have to record your voice or anything like that. So once you find an article or create your own, you just come over here, just what the dashboard look like. Click on Create New Video. Just choose a template. Now with this product, I like to normally choose a template that's matching the product colors. So I think this one is pink. So you can do pink or red. Pink or red template to work out for this. So let's go back to Content Samurai. Let me scroll down. See what other colors. Okay, so look, that's how I go with viral pink. Use this template. So now what I'm about to do is import an article that I found on the internet just to speed up this video. All right, so I found a how to lose belly fat fast article for women. Very, very simple. And from here, once you paste your article in, you can title it How to Lose Belly Fat Fast. And from there, you just create scenes for your video. It's going to automatically do everything for you. And from there, you can just edit what you like and what you don't like. So here's basically what it looks like. How to lose belly fat fast for women. You can change out. So say you didn't want to use this video. You can do maybe another belly video like this. Hover over it so you can play it. How to lose belly fat fast for women. In fact, I want to use something like this. Okay, boom. See, I like that one. And as you can see at the top, there's 64 different scenes that you can edit if you would like to. But I'm not about to go through all this on the video. I just want to kind of give y'all an overview of it. And once you edit everything and say you like everything, you just come all the way down to add a voice track. Once you're done, you leave it to music only. You can do an auto voice is what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna select Harry.
Hi.
You know what? Since this is a weight loss for women, I kind of want to use a female.
Hi, my name is Kate and I would love to read the script.
I'm sure there's some better voices that you can use. That's just the one that we're going to use for this video. And from there, you can just click on Preview Video. Now, while that's loading, we can actually go back to our YouTube notes and create a title, a sample description, some tags that we can use for our own video. So what we're gonna do first is go to our keyword, how to lose belly fat fast in 1 week. What I normally like to do is kind of just put the keyword that I'm trying to rank for first in the title for relevancy. And let's see, how to lose belly fat. Add fast in a week. And what I could do as well, capitalize fast. Let's see how many tips. Let's say, for example, it was 5 tips in the video, 5 simple tips. We can put it in parentheses, and we can pretty much leave it like that. Now, the description, what I like to do first is always have a call to action with my affiliate link. So if we promote this offer, just go to promote, generate hyperlinks, copy that, X out of here, go back to, let me see, we paste the affiliate link first, and we need to just add some type of text. So how to lose, we can go back to the offer page and see simple 2-step ritual that guarantees shocking. So this is basically we can use for a call to action. I normally spend more time on this, but for time's sake, this is what we're going to use. And another thing I can do is go to add an emoji, the right arrow, just to make it look even better. So right arrow, boom, copy it from here, go back, boom. So simple 2-step ritual that 100% guarantees shocking daily weight loss. Boom, they go to the affiliate link, and if they purchase from our link, we will of course get our commission. And for the tags for the video, we can actually take the same keyword, go back to YouTube, look at the top video that's ranking for this, and use the tags that they're using, so we can steal some of their traffic. Now, mind you, YouTube is about three different ways I normally get traffic to my YouTube channels. Ranking for search terms like this. On the first page for that keyword, you can get into the related section right here. That's why I copy the tags of the video, so I can get into the related section of this video that's already going viral. And you can actually get views from the YouTube homepage. So, you know, first time you come to YouTube, you see a bunch of videos, trending, related, and things like that. That comes from the content that you're already watching on YouTube. So if you're making a bunch of weight loss content and, you know, say you're not getting the search views, you're not getting the related views, YouTube might put your video on the homepage to get you some views like that. But like I said, you just come over, copy the video tags, and to copy the video tags, I forgot to mention, you need to download an extension called a Chrome extension called vidIQ. It's 100% free. Only take a couple seconds to download. Now that we got that out the way, just use that for our tags. So now we got our title, description, the tags, and the keyword that we're trying to rank for. And our video should be done by now. You can preview it, 4 minutes long.
How to lose belly fat fast for women. That's the question frequently asked by ladies whenever they want to lose weight.
So boom, if you're satisfied with the video, just say looks good, continue, and should say generate video so you can download it. Now that's going to be the exact file that you can use to upload right away to YouTube. Now the last thing you're going to need is literally a thumbnail for the video so you can increase your clicks. What we can do is, let's say we can go to pexels.com. You can download royalty-free images that you can use however you want to use it, I guess. And we can open this in a new tab. Let's save this. Belly fat. Save it like that. Come over to canva.com and create a thumbnail. Just click on create designs. Canva is exactly the same as, I'm not going to say exactly the same, but it's a similar Photoshop, just 100% free. And from there, now I want to do is upload the belly fat image we just downloaded from Pexels. Alright, so we got the video, I mean not the video, but the picture uploaded. Now what I want to do is kind of stretch it out. Let's see, boom. Now what I could do is add some text. I could say something like, how to lose belly fat fast, exclamation point. I hate this font, so I'm gonna go with maybe Beavis, New Cyrillic, and let's see, to actually blow the font up, stretch it all the way across, so 100, nope, in fact, might be able to stretch it out a little more, boom, perfect. And another thing we could do is duplicate this and bring it down here. Say, go back to our YouTube notes and 5 simple tips. Copy that, paste that here. 5 simple tips. Add the parentheses. Boom. Now you might be saying I can't really see the text. What you could do is add some graphics to the background. So let's do a border. Let's see. Let's make it white. Stretch it out. Past the text. Boom. We can position it to the back and change the color of it to white. Or you could do bright color like red. So yeah, I like that. You can go with red. And same thing, you want to do that for this amount, that small amount of text right there. Just pull it down. Stretch it out a little more. Make this red as well. Position it to the back. Boom. Got your simple thumbnail. How to lose belly fat fast. 5 simple tips. You can download it right here, 100% free, and upload it to YouTube. Like I said, we got the file. We got everything we need now to upload this. We got the title, got the thumbnail we just made, the description, the tags, and the keyword that we're trying to rank for. And that's pretty much a simple overview on how to do this. Of course, there's more to it, how to rank this, because you can't just upload it, especially with the competition of this video. Let me go back. Right here, as you can see, the top videos got, all the top videos got over 1 million views. And as a brand new channel, it's going to be way, way harder to rank for it. Even getting into the related section or just getting onto the homepage. There's more to it that I just cannot reveal in this video. This is taking too long. But I go over all this stuff in detail inside my YouTube passive income course. This is exactly how I make a full-time income with affiliate marketing, course sales, AdSense, promoting other affiliate products, just by ranking YouTube videos for long-term passive income. Like I said, if you want to learn that in detail, check out that course. First link in the description down below. And if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications to be notified when I release more videos like this. And I will see you all in the next video.